Hello, my name is Tim with Bar Products, and today we're going to be cutting napkin caddies with our ShopSabre CNC. Here we are in our showroom, and a lot of the stuff that you see was actually made in-house. We make everything from bar games to LED bottle risers, and today we're going to be making one of our top sellers, and that is the napkin caddy. But everything starts with the CNC, so come back here with me and let's take a look. These here are two ShopSabre CNCs. This machine right here is our original machine, which we purchased about 15 years ago. We still use it to this day. We run wood, plastic, and sometimes aluminum on it. But we realized that we had to make separate programs to run this machine because it only uses one tool. So we decided that we would go ahead and upgrade to this machine, which actually has a 10 tool changer on it, so we can run the programs together. So we only need one program to run this machine to make our products, which makes it a lot easier for us. Now let's take a look at the software that we use to cut our projects. What you're looking at here is VCarve Pro. This is what we use to create our files and projects. You can either create a new file from here or you can pull up an existing file. So I'm going to go ahead and pull up an existing file here. This right here are all the files that we run, or the different programs. So the project that we're going to be working on today is napkin caddies. So I'm going to go ahead and click on there and bring this up. And then it'll automatically tell you right here how many pieces per sheet that you have. So there's no guessing involved of how many parts that you're going to have per sheet. Okay, that. And then over here on your tool paths, you can come in here and check all your tools. And if you need to make any changes, you go in and make changes there. And then just come in and save your file. Save tool path. Now that we've covered the machine and the software, the only thing left to do now is load up a sheet and get to cutting. Now that we're done cutting, we're going to move off to our second operation, which starts right here at our router tables. As you can see, right here we have tabs. We need to trim these tabs off. These help hold the part down to the machine while it's being cut. And then once those are trimmed off, we'll move over to here and smooth out the edges. So after this operation is complete, we'll move off to sanding, painting, die sub, and then assembly. So we have a lot to do today, so let's get started. Here's our finished napkin caddy holder. As you can see, it turned out beautiful. For this project, we went with the rustic wood plank look, which is actually one of our top sellers. In all our products, we like to use high quality materials on everything we build because we want to make sure it lasts for a long time. It may look easy to make, but there was actually a lot that went into building this. Hope you learned something today, and thanks for watching.